This is how to create subscript and superscript in your text in Microsoft Word. So what is subscript and superscript? Let me give you a simple example. When we want to write x to the power 2, or when you write something like H2O, the small 2 here is subscript. And when we put smaller numbers or smaller text at the top, it's superscript. It's fairly easy on how to do that. I'll make use of an example. Here, I have a paragraph where I wrote 2,000 square meters to 10,000 square meters. We're going to use Superscript to change this to square meters. So let's remove the SQ and the SQ there. And we put a small 2 at the end and a small 2 at the end. So what you do next is you highlight the small 2 and just go to where there is Superscript on fonts there. You click it. You do the same for the other one. And you have Superscript. So that's how you add Superscript. Say you wanted to write H2O. H2O. Obviously, you're going to make use of Subscript. So you just highlight the 2 and you go to the font and click Subscript. Now you have H2O. So that's how you make use of the Superscript and Subscript function in Microsoft Word.